Hi, and welcome to Section 4, Checking Text, Images and Videos with Content Moderator. In this section, we look at how you can use content moderation to detect offensive and undesirable words in text, images and videos. So firstly, we're going to look at how we get set up with Content Moderator and discuss some of the key features. Then, we look at how we use Content Moderator to detect profanity and unsuitable language in text. We explore how we can use Content Moderator to identify personal identifiable information, such as email addresses and social security numbers, and how we can automatically correct errors in text. Then we look at how we can use OCR to detect unsuitable text in images and then in videos. Setting up Azure Content Moderator. In this, the first video of Section 4, you should gain a good understanding of what services are available as part of Azure Content Moderator and how you can get set up with everything you need to start using it in your applications. Azure Content Moderator is a collection of machine-assisted content moderation APIs for moderating images, text and videos. In this course, we're going to focus on the text aspects of the service. Content Moderator provides a way to detect and filter potentially offensive or unwanted text, even if that text appears in an image or a video. It uses a range of techniques including optical character recognition and advanced machine learning algorithms to determine the suitability of words given their context. It can even automatically correct errors in text. Content moderation can be automatic or work in conjunction with a human review tool that can be used to provide even better results. Text moderation supports more than 100 languages and can even identify personal identifiable information such as email addresses. So where might we use Content Moderator? Well, content moderation is used in many scenarios, such as online marketplaces, where there is a need to moderate user-generated content, gaming and social media platforms, where user chat forums and messages need moderating, and enterprise customers, where you may use a centralized content moderation system for company-generated content, or maybe even a school or education setting, where content needs to be filtered to prevent students seeing inappropriate content. To get started with Content Moderator, you need to create a new Content Moderator service in the Azure portal. You can then use this to access the several web service APIs available through either REST calls or by using one of the language-specific SDKs that Microsoft provides. Let's switch over to the Azure portal and set up a new Content Moderator service. Okay, so here we are in the Azure portal. Select Create a resource. In the Search the Marketplace search box, enter Content Moderator, and then select it from the results. Select Create to define details for the subscription. From the pricing tier list, select the pricing tier that best fits your needs. The free tier is fine for now. Each subscription has a free tier, and the free tier has the same features and functionalities as the paid plans and don't expire. You can only have one free subscription for your account. Select Create to finish creating the subscription. OK, so now we need our authentication key. Remember, this has to be passed in with each request to the API. So in our Content Moderator resource, select Keys in the Resource Management section. Copy either of the keys listed for your subscription. Great, now we're ready to use the API. As with all the APIs in the Azure Cognitive Services collection, there are some restrictions in place on how you can use them. With Content Moderator, images must have at least 128 pixels and a maximum file size of 4 megabytes. Text can at most be 1024 characters long. If the content passed exceeds these limits, an error will be thrown. So what did we learn? We got a basic overview of what the Content Moderator API offers, and we learned how to create a new Content Moderator API resource in the Azure portal. We also identified some of the restrictions that the API imposes.